Hi, this lecture is on the time value of money. This part is just a general introduction. So if you're not familiar with time value of money, I'm going to tell you about the types of problems you're going to learn how to solve, some of the things you need to listen to this lecture, and then go over kind of a conceptual introduction. So after you go through all the lectures, here are the problems that you should be able to solve. Present value of just one lump sum, present value of multiple lump sums, present value of an ordinary annuity with annual payments, present value of ordinary annuity with more than one annuity payment per year, present value of ordinary annuity combined with a lump sum. So you have an annuity, you present value that, and then you have a lump sum. How do you combine the present values? And then present value of an annuity due. Um, we don't repeat the 4 and 5 techniques for annuity due because they're the same. But you can also, you should be also able to present value annuity due with more than one payment a year or an annuity due combined with lump sum payment. What do you need? You're going to need a time value of money factor table for lump sum, present value of ordinary annuity, present value of an annuity due. And you can find that on your own or it's provided here with this course. So if you don't know anything about the time value of money, the question is, what in the heck are we talking about? Well, let's think about cash flow happening through time. And this is a timeline used in finance and accounting. And we're giving up $100 today, okay, and we can earn 10%. So the question is, how much do we have in a year? And probably most of you, without thinking, if I put 100, I get 100, and at 10%, I get 110 in a year. And you really didn't have to think about that, but if you were to write it out, what you had was 100 times 1.10 equals 110. All right, and this minus 100, that's our outflow. 110 is our inflow, and every timeline has to have inflows and outflows. Here's the present value, PV, and the future value. So to get the future value, you take the payment times 1 plus the interest rate, and you raise it to the number of periods. So we didn't put that up here, but 1, anything raised to the power of 1 is itself. This equals the future value. Oops. Future value of V. Okay. And I guess it's probably better to call this thing the present value. So how do we rearrange this to solve for the present value? It's just the present value equals the future value times 1 over 1 plus I to the n. So this thing here will be called the present value factor. All right. Now, why would we want to solve in present value? Well, this is going to look a little bit ridiculous with this simple problem. But if you're a company and you see this cash flow out there of 110, so if you invest in this project, you'll get $110 in a year. And sometimes you don't know what to put in, you know what you're going to get out. Now, if the company has to earn 10%, what they would do is they would take the present value equal 110 times 1 over 1.10. And it won't shock you to find that in this case that would equal 100. So the whole idea of the time value of money is to figure out when cash flows happen at different points in time, what are they worth at today? Okay. There are other problems where you'll try to figure out what they're worth at some future point. Like if you're doing retirement planning, you may want to project your future income and so forth. We are just going to focus on this time equals 0. What is the value today? All right. And we're going to see, for accounting purposes, that present value is used in a lot of different accounting